Dear students, we were doing chapter 4th of Vistas, the enemy. So far, we had discussed that how Sadao and Hana they took out the enemy soldier from the sea, and their house was near the sea. After a lot of struggle in their minds, what to do, whether to bring him at home and he to be treated, or he must be left there itself to die, or he must be handed over to the police. Now, in any case, Dr. Sadao being a surgeon, it was his moral duty to bring him at home and treat him. And thereafter, he wanted to inform the country people and the police department. Hana agreed with him, so they brought him at home. The servants actually they were against of this decision of their master, and Yumi, the loyal servant, maid servant, she refused to bring the hot water to clean the wound of that man who was quite dirty. So ultimately the servants one by one they left home, and it was Hana only who did this job. And then she also gave anesthetic before the surgery, which she had never done, and as a result she was vomiting outside. So all these things we had done. Now on page 33, last passage, he will be better for her to empty her stomach. It will be better for her to empty her stomach. When she was vomiting after giving anesthetic injection to the soldier before operation, he thought means Sadao thought, he had forgotten that of course she had never seen an operation. Now Sadao concluded that before that she had never seen operation. Who? That his wife Hana. But her distress and his inability, distress means pain, and his inability to go to her at once made him impatient and irritable that caused irritation. But he was unable to look after Hana and her condition because he was indulged in the work of that enemy soldier of his treatment, man who lay like dead under his knife because he was doing surgery and the man was under his knife. This man, he thought, there is no reason under heaven why he should live. Now Sadao again he was thinking why this man should live. There is no reason of it. Now unconsciously this thought made him ruthless, and he proceeded swiftly. Anyway, he was thinking again and again about this enemy soldier, why he was going to treat him, because after all he was an enemy. In his dream the man moaned, moaned, moaned means cried in pain, but Sadao paid no heed except to mutter at him. Now you see, Sadao felt when operation was going on, then he was also crying with pain, but Sadao didn't pay any attention. Groan, he muttered, groan if you like. I am not doing this for my own pleasure. Now Sadao he was very angry with the fellow. उसने कहा कि जो भी वो कर रहा है, he is doing for his welfare, not for himself. In fact, I do not know why I am doing it. और वो ये भी नहीं समझ पा रहा था कि वो ये सब क्यों कर रहा है. The door opened and there was Hana again. फिर दोबारा दरवाज़ा खुलता है, हना अंदर आती है. Where is the anesthetic? She asked in a clear voice. Sadao motioned with his chin. उसने इशारा किया अपने gesture से. It is as well that you came back, he said. उसने कहा कि अच्छा रहा तुम अंदर आ गई. This fellow is beginning to stir. ये फेलो जो है क्या कर रहा है, ये इधर उधर मूव कर रहा है. नाउ शी हैड द बोटल एंड सम कॉटन इन हर हैंड. यस, शी ब्रॉट अ बोटल ऑफ दैट you see liquid of that medicine anesthetic, and but how shall I do it, she asked, because she didn't know how to give him injection. Simply saturate द कॉटन. तो डॉक्टर सदाऊ ने कहा कि सैचुरेट में सोप, उसमें डुबाना, एंड होल्ड इट नियर हिज नोस्ट्रिल्स. कॉटन को उसमें डुबा कर के क्या करना है. सदाऊ रिप्लाइड विदाउट डिलेइंग फॉर वन मोमेंट. ये क्लोरोफॉर्म एक तरह का होता है बेहोश करने का. जिस समय पेशेंट का ऑपरेशन होता है तो उस समय उसको अनकॉन्शियस पोजीशन में लाया जाता है. The intricate means minute detail of his work. When he breathes badly, move it away a little. When he breathes badly, who, that is for the enemy soldier, move it away a little. अब यहाँ तक जो है, now how that fellow was made unconscious, and how Sadao was ready with his scissors, knife and everything to operate him upon. यहाँ पर up to here it is very clear how the operation is going to take place.